There's a new toy I've got from Maplins. It's a robot arm, USB controlled. Birthday present. Just made it all up. Comes with, I think it's 4 or 5 motors. You construct it all. It's plastic basically. You put it together like a Meccano cum Airfix kit. You can program the software on your computer via the USB. And hopefully I've programmed it so I can pick up a tea bag and plug it into my cup and see if this will work or not. Might work, it might not. Working so far. There you go. My first robotic arm from Maplins. All a bit of fun, but we're all kids at heart. Thank you. Yeah, closer look at the robot arm from Maplins. USB controlled. Be a quick little video because I think if you hear in the background, my dog wants to go out for his walk. It's a lovely little kit. Took about 2.5 hours to construct. As I say, good bit of fun. Thanks for watching.